I'm gonna do this on camera, right here, right now. My name is Rochelle and welcome to my channel. I make videos about health and beauty and all kinds of cool things, so you should subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so this is kind of a technique for my split ends that my broke self has been doing for a lot of years now because I don't like paying to go get my hair trimmed when I can just do it myself. And I don't know if it's like the most like professional thing. One time I did have like an actual like stylist tell me like, wow, like it's really not too bad considering you did it yourself, and I think it looks good and it gets rid of my split ends and just keeps things like a little healthier and fresh. So yeah, the technique is pretty simple and I'm just going to explain it to you right now and then I'm going to show you how I do it, okay? So I put my hair up in a ponytail right on top of my head right here. And the reason you do that is because then your hair is directly straight, like standing up, and it's gonna create kind of some natural layers for you, as well as it's evenly pulled from all sides of your head, and so then it's gonna kind of keep things even down at the bottom. So yeah, I'm gonna go put my hair in a ponytail and I will be right back and I will show you how to do it. Okay, I'm back, and as you can see my hair is looking so cute. Not really. So really the key with this is you want to get the ponytail like directly in the center of your head so that again it all just falls freely. I actually got this idea out of a like fashion magazine when I was in high school, and I think I read it was like Farrah Fawcett or something like that used to cut her hair like this in the 80s to get all of her like awesome layers. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead. Oh, the other thing is if you are under 13, I'm just gonna say go ahead and ask your mom's permission before you go ahead and chop your own hair. So I'm just taking a little bit off, again, just to like kind of trim up the split ends and get a little bit more of like a fresh look. So I just bring it forward like this in front of my face, and here we go. Maybe I should put something down, but because I'm like in my room right now, but oh well, I'll just clean it up later. And you know, it's gonna be kind of layered and it's not gonna be like perfect, but I just took, I don't know how much off, like maybe an inch or two of my hair, and as you can see, like the ends are so much nicer and fresher now. And I'm gonna take it out of the ponytail so you guys can see kind of how it falls and how it lays once it's done. Yeah, so obviously this looks really dumb when it's in this really high ponytail, but like I don't really wear my hair like this that often, so it's gonna look good when it's down or when it's in other hairstyles, not in this exact position. So I'm gonna take it down and show you guys what it looks like. So as you can see, it kind of creates some nice layers around the front, and this is kind of how I like to get my hair cut anyways, and I think it's perfect and it doesn't look too choppy and it's even on both sides and it's still really long, and I've got these really cute kind of choppy layers that just are really fun, especially if you put some curls in your hair. And this is my hair that I need to go throw away now, and it's disgusting. So yeah, leave me a comment below and let me know if this is something that you would ever try, or if you're like, girl, no, like I'm gonna leave this to the professionals, you look janky, like I don't really care if you say that. Or if you're like, dude, I'm about to go cut my hair right now and I'm gonna save me some dollar bills, it's gonna be awesome. Either way, just let me know what you think. And even if this video was like 0.5% entertaining to you, give me a thumbs up and I will talk to you later. I hope you have an amazing day. Thanks for watching. Bye.